This segment of CoastLife is sponsored by Ocean City Tourism.
The holidays has a way of bringing us back to what truly matters: family, tradition, a little bit of sweet magic, which is why we're here in Ocean City, where one family in particular has been making sure the holiday season stays bright for over a century. I'm here at Dolle's Candyland with the president, Anna Bushnell. How are you doing today?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm doing great. I'm excited to be here. First of all, it smells amazing.
Thank you. Yes.
Just got to point that out. And then you guys have been celebrating 115 years. So what does it mean to be family owned and operated since then?
Well, to us, it really means a lot. Like there's so much tradition. We love seeing the generations of families that come in and see us year after year. When you have grandmas that are introducing, dollies to their grandchildren, and it's just so nice because everybody has a story about dollies. So we love continuing those traditions.
That is a beautiful transition, and just to kind of see like people who've came here as kids bring their kids here, it's a full circle moment.
Yep, absolutely.
Yes, and then you guys are still daily selling candy on the boardwalk in the same spot.
Yep.
So what does it mean to upkeep that tradition?
Well, it's interesting. Right now, it's been super cool because the 150th year of Ocean City was just celebrated, and it's so nice to have been a part of that. Yeah. So it really kind of brought up a lot of memories for us, as well as for a lot of people that have made Ocean City their home or has been their home. So it's really cool.
Yes, that is really cool too that you mentioned, because Dolly's is such a staple here in Ocean City. So for big celebrations like the 150th of Ocean City, where Dolly's has been here for 115 years of that 150, that's a huge accomplishment.
Yeah, it was really cool to see a lot of the pictures, like I said, and hear a lot of the stories. So.
Yes. And then I know the holiday season's pretty busy here at Dolle, so what Christmas treats can people look forward to this time of year?
So busy right now.
Yeah.
So, well, the good news is that we have all of our traditional candies.
Nice.
Our caramel popcorn is huge this time of year, saltwater taffy, and our fudge. But we also make a lot of cool things, like we've got dark chocolate covered candy canes.
That looks
such
really
a simple little thing, but they're really good. So you can kind of come in here and try things that you wouldn't be able to get anywhere else. So that's one of our big things. We love to be creative in our business, so we get to make things like that. We've made an Ocean City Boardwalk advent calendar that went well this year, gift packs, all that kind of stuff that would make everybody's season just really exciting, fun, a little bit sweeter, and all made to order, really.
Yeah, and I like how you said you try things that you can't really get anywhere else. I feel like that's a big part of what you guys do here. I mean, you described your process as being true candy makers. So what makes that process different than what the average person might not expect?
So we make everything that we sell, with the exception of a few things like gummies, but we make everything at our store on the boardwalk. So if you look at the store, like above and around and behind is all where our manufacturing facilities are. So we get to continue making everything on that antique machinery that we have back there. But yeah, like I said, we can be creative. We can make things that are a little different while sticking to our tried and trues.
Yes, that's fun that you get to be creative.
Yes.
And then Anna, I'm curious. I mean, you grew up basically working here. Do you have any favorite memories?
Oh, well, my first memory is actually of sitting in a box underneath the taffy machines. That was my babysitter. So I remember that vividly, but I have a lot of great memories of the boardwalk and growing up on it.
Of course, and for people, for families even, who are interested in starting their own traditions, what would a trip to Dolle's look like for them?
Well, we love it when people come in and they try or they get their favorite saltwater taffy flavors. You can come in and pick your own. So it's a little bit of an activity, but it's also something that's really heartfelt. They spend a lot of time at the taffy walls that we have, just picking out what they would like, and then picking out gifts for other people at home, just because it's such a traditional piece of candy from the beach.
Yes, for sure. And I'm glad you mentioned that people pick it up as gifts too. This would be a great gift to give somebody this holiday season.
Yes, a very good gift.
Yes, and if somebody is interested in checking this out, where can they find you?
So we are open on the boardwalk during the weekends. Right now it's a little hairy just because the weather's a little iffy. If it's super stormy or cold outside, we won't open there, but we are open every day here at our West Ocean City store throughout the year.
Perfect. Is there anything I left out that you'd like to include?
I don't think so. I think I got popcorn popcorn, we do our chocolates, we've got our fudge, taffy, all the specialties for the holidays. Yeah, lots of gifts, lots of fun, unique things you can't buy. One of the things that we have are little trays and candy dishes. My mom goes to vintage stores and she picks all those up. So they are like antique candy jars, and it just makes it a fun, fun little thing. Like I said, you can't get anywhere else.
Yeah. Well, Anna, thank you so much for having me today. I appreciate
Absolutely.
it.
Thanks so much for coming in.
Of course. Yeah. Well, CoastLife, after 115 years, Dolle's Candyland right here in Ocean City is proving that the best traditions are the ones that never change. Homemade, heartfelt, and made to be shared with, but also made to share is CoastLife. So stick around because there's more on the way.